Dean's Adventure on Timber Mountain. So I just did the fill up of the zigzag or wood boiler that I made, and it's doing pretty good. I just had some leftover insulation panels that I just put there. We're gonna cover it up a little bit later. Right now we just wanted to get the system going so that timber would start getting warm. We bought the insulation yesterday to do the roof, and just wanted to show you. So heated with wood, we have a wood jacket that comes up here, a water jacket that comes up here, 8 inches wide by 4 by 5, 4 deep by 5 high. And then we have a 12-inch jacket, all in the same 12-inch jacket all across the top, and then on the other side another 8-inch that comes straight up. So the water jacket does, one sec here, the water jacket does up here 8-inch, 12-inch across, and that's all joined. You'll notice up above we've got the 2 return inlets from the top. It should be hotter there, but because the cold water's coming down, it makes it quite a bit, well, I shouldn't say quite a bit cooler. So if we proceed to the top of the jacket, we're getting, where the water's coming in, we're getting 24, 25. And as I proceed to go down, we're actually increasing 28, 29. We're getting 28 and 29. So from the top, where it should be the hottest, to the bottom, we're almost 4 or 5 degrees difference. So the system is working good. And you know, I load right now I'm loading every 3 hours. So it's a good test. The firebox itself is, the top of the firebox is 109 Celsius. And the door is 133 Celsius. And I've got the vents on the bottom pretty well closed. So it's good. I could probably get a 4-hour burn rate right now. But don't forget, I just started it 2 days ago, and I've got a 4,000 square foot floor to heat. So my average temperature right now in the floor is about 12 degrees. So that's not bad for 2 days, and it's minus 10 out. So it's working good. Have a good day.